Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this like reverse slow-mo background video edit on CapCut PC. So select the background, and I'm just going to also select the foreground, go to cutout and go to auto cutout. Sorry, the object I meant. And I'm just going to make it slightly smaller like so. Okay, not like that small, I guess. Like this small is like perfect. Then go to like the background video and then go to like speed, go to curve and go to customize, and like right where you want it to slow down, maybe here, add like a plus button and like slow it down. And then make sure you go to smooth slow-mo and go to optical flow. If you want, you can also like add reverse, but because my clip is very short, like I can't. But hold on. To add reverse, sorry. I'm just going to wait for the smooth slow motion to be applied to it. And then I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, and then I'm going to select the reverse. Maybe I'm just going to make it smaller so that I can actually like reverse it. Does take quite a long time to apply like smooth slow-mo. I'm just gonna say this right now. Okay, once we've reached 100%, we can right click, create compound clip, copy and paste, and then here like you can select the reverse button. And that's pretty much it. You can use any background you like. Maybe the background is like a bunch of like pigeons, a train, a car, whatever. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!